Nakita na naman ako.
Where's the flower?
Flower daw anak, flower.
Where's the flower? Well done. This is the flower. Where's the umbrella?
Umbrella.
Excellent. This is the umbrella. Where's the dog?
Dog. Dog daw anak, dog. Where's dog? Where's the dog?
Where's the dog?
Dog.
The dog.
Ah, frog pala, frog.
Good job. This is the dog. Find the number 6. Well done. This is the number 6. Find the letter
Ayan.
J.
Anak, letter.
Find the letter J.
Oh, J daw anak. Ay, naku, mali tuloy si mami yung pindot.
Uh-oh.
Hmm?
Come on, let's play. Where's the nest? Good job. This is the nest. Find the number 7.
7 daw, 7 anak, 7.
Well done. This is the number 7. Find the letter E.
Mali.
Uh-oh.
Pag nagkakamali ka lang, pinipindot mo yung J.
Let's play. Find the letter T.
Oh, T. T daw anak, T. Letter T. Letter T.
Find the letter T.
Letter T daw, anak.
Find the letter T.
O yan, T. Yan na.
Good job. This is the letter T. Find the letter E.
JJ, have you got some